Breaking the bias mean to me? Breaking the bias has been my life. I'm an African American woman from Compton, California, so I was never expected to hit the courts at Wimbledon, but I did. Why? Because breaking the bias is living your dream and not letting any stereotype or any perception stop you from doing that. Breaking the stereotype is also helping others to live their dream as well and to be a part of breaking down every stereotype. That's why mentoring and being a role model for me has been crucial, because all those things help so many millions of girls and women to be stronger and to live their dreams. Also breaking stereotypes within ourselves. No matter who we are, what color, whether we're the majority or the minority, we all have these stereotypes that we have to break down in order for us to move forward as equal, as one people, as one person. So that's so important to break down biases, and all of us have work to do, and I'm happy to be a part of it.